Friends, Bitcoin technical and order flow analysis. A few words about previous ideas that we did and where we can take new trades. First, how many of you saw our previous analysis that I shared on TradingView, where I told you to open short at retest to weave up nearly 3,400, and have a look how BTC exactly dropped from that area as we predicted. Share with me in the comments how many of you took the trades and made money on that. With our team, while BTC were dropping, we took a few trades on other coin. We took a short on Link because during that time, Link gave bad entry idea. What we can do the next, let's cover right now. First, my friends, pay attention to BTC, what BTC did during this massive time. Price were in the middle of this significant range. It calls value area. Why? Because nearly 70% of all volume traded in the middle of this yellow box. Why it's so important? Because if price breaks this yellow box and that breakout real, quite often price makes significant movement. And at this moment, as you can see, price did this breakdown. And at this moment, the most important questions that we must ask, does it break out real or not? Let's find out. Before, I would like to invite you to join our masterclass tomorrow, where I'll share with you my trading strategy with all real ideas, how to open trades, set stop losses, etc. It will be completely free. Book link will be in description. At this moment, I do believe that BTC with bigger possibility can retest this area 29,700 because what's the main reason? Because BTC at this moment took major liquidity. I shared this stuff with our community members, pay attention. Yesterday in a Discord, I shared exactly this stuff. I also did update about that BTC exactly reached VWAP. Have a look. When I sent an update, BTC had this big significant wall of liquidity. And at this moment, pay attention how that wall of liquidity were taken. That means a lot of people that were in a long positions got liquidated exactly here. Why is this stuff super important for us? Because it's liquidity and fuel. After such significant liquidations, price can take a pullback. That's why at this moment, as I told you, I do believe with bigger possibility BTC would retest this area. After in that area, I would consider taking short. Why? Example for you as a plan, another plan that we took with my team on Ethereum. Quite often when price retest a significant volume, it is a plan that I sent to our community members on Ethereum that it would retest POC, and from that POC, there would be a significant drop. Why this stuff is super important for us? Because it is area where sellers will push price down. And for us, it's super important that here would be some significant volume that we can use as local entry idea. If that volume appear with 100%, I will send a trade to my community and I will personally take a trade, because after such significant accumulation for BTC, really big chance to break down, even to cover all of this imbalance. Because at this moment here, pay attention, where is the next liquidations areas? At this moment, major liquidation area, approximately nearly 27,000 and at 24,000. That means 27, my friends. Let me point for you 27. It is exactly here. It's really possible to make a pullback to take all of this liquidity. And 24, it is exactly here. I never tell that something impossible in trading, because I saw many stuff. I saw oil at negative prices. That's why I would not surprise to this one. But we must open a trade where we have really clear entry ideas. That's why what we do right now, if the price retests this volume profile area at here, we take short trade, but there must be confirmations, remember. After that, we keep our trade into this area. In what case this plan would be canceled? Only in a case if some enormous volume would enter a footprint. What I meint by footprint, it is stuff that shows to us where people buy and sell a lot of coins. It is exactly this one. Let me show to you. Any kind of footprint, like yesterday, someone sold on Dogecoin approximately 140 million coins, and price dropped by 4%. The same could happen to BTC. Only such stuff would cancel our idea. That's why what you do right now, set alert like I do here. If price retests this area, consider taking short. Also, right now, join a workshop and watch now free lesson about a footprint and volume profile to understand how to use this stuff and make money by yourself. Any questions, write in the comments. I personally reply. Thank you for your time.